Armoury Crate is your one-stop shop for customization, system information, RGB lighting, and managing your favorite games. With Armoury Crate's game library, you can organize your favorite games from various gaming platforms. Your installed games will automatically appear in Armoury Crate's unified library, where you can launch them with one tap or add your favorite programs manually. Armoury Crate's Command Center gives you quick access to all the settings you need in-game. Just press the button to open it at any time. You can also press the Armoury Crate button to open or close Armoury Crate, and long press the button to view your button mappings. You can even customize the hardware on a game-by-game basis. Just highlight the game in question and press the X button to edit its game profile. You can customize the game's button mappings, analog sticks, triggers, and vibration settings to suit your unique taste. You can also customize these settings on a global level by going to Armoury Crate Settings and clicking the Control Mode configuration. The Command Center is fully customizable, allowing you quick access to the settings you need the most.